Hi everyone, DrMarco here from Malaxy Toys and Games, and today, yes, we have not one, not two, not three, but 4 Zoids Wild Zero kits to share with everyone! If you'd like to know more about the Zoids Wild Zero series and Zoids Wild in general, check out the links in the description below. So in general, the Zoids Wild model kits, there are actually 4 sizes. We have the small one, which is not battery operated, and we have the medium one, which is considered the normal size, the large size, and of course we have the behemoths, the XL size. Each completed Zoid model kit is battery operated with the exception of the small one, which uses a winding method. Now before we start, where can you get these awesome Zoids? Only at
Toyster.sg, 365 days of Toys terrific sale. Stay tuned to the end of the video to receive a promo code that you can use when purchasing with Toyster.sg. So stay tuned!
We are going to unbox all 4, build it up and show you how it works. So let's get to it, shall we? And right here we have the Zoids Wild Zero Rising Liger. This is the upgraded version of the Beast Liger and I'm so excited. Let's get unboxing immediately right now. So I'm really excited for this Rising Liger because it's just so cool, you know what I mean? Just take a look at it, it's really just damn cool. Wow. So yeah, this is the inner. So this is all the parts. You have the B pack, the A pack, which is pretty much the skeleton. There we have the engine part. Ooh, okay, there we go. There we got it. So this is the instruction manual of Rising Liger. Let's take a look what we have inside. And yeah, so this is to explain to you the parts pack and what's the contents of the box. And then of course, a Rising Liger, it shows you the bone mode, which is right here, which is very awesome by the way. And then of course the armor mode. Let's take a look at the rest. What do we have? Oh, and there's the rest is just to explain the parts and the instruction manual and how the battery works. Let's get to work, shall we? So you need one single AAA battery. One single AAA battery and just put it in. Alright, let's see if it works. Yeah, it's working well. It's working very well. Well done. So this is the bone form of Rising Liger. Very cool. Very cool machine in there. Yeah. Let's go ahead with step number 2. Oh, there we have it. There we have it, guys. It's done. Beast Liger is ready. Look at that marvelous beast. Whoa. Whoa. Now this thing is just gonna tear it out this time around. Get it out. Yeah, that's right. Oh, that's right. There. Whew. This is the body chassis. Nice. Nice. Alright guys, so we're not gonna waste your time because if I were to build this and you were to watch the whole thing, including the Beast Liger, it will take up the whole time. What we're going to do is we're going to zoom forward, alright? With a snap of DrMarco's fingers. And there we have it. That's Stylaser. Take a look at this beast. Awesome. Let's take a look what it does.
Last but not the least, we have the Omega Rex. Now this big bad boy is huge. Really excited to build a huge XL Zoid, that's for sure. Big body. Wow, this boy is huge. So let's take a look at that. We have the B parts. The B parts pack. This is all the armor and all. The black color armor. This is definitely the body. This A part pack. Oh, there we go. Much easier than I anticipated. So this is the body machine. This is definitely the laser part, as you can see from the inside. Now you do need to have two AA size batteries. Can it stand on its own? Yes, it can, like a chicken. Pretty much like a chicken, but yeah, we can stand on its own. It's like a half-baked chicken. There. It's in. Give it a good little squeeze in there. It's done. Nice. This is very nice. Yeah. So there we have it, the bow mode. Alright, the Omega Rex is completed. This bad boy is so cool. Wow, let's see what it does, alright? Once again, you can purchase all these awesome Zoids at Toyster.sg. Quote Malaxy5 upon checkout to receive an additional 5% off on your purchase at Toyster.sg. So what are you waiting for? Go use it now! We've come to the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm DrMarco here from Malaxy Toys and Games, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!